Have you ever felt like this? You're watching a movie in English. You're listening to someone speak on YouTube. You're scrolling through Instagram Reels. And guess what? You understand everything. Every single word, every joke, every emotion. But the moment someone turns to you and says, "So, what do you think?" Your brain freezes, your tongue gets tied, and your mind goes completely blank. You want to speak. You really do. But it feels like something inside just isn't working. If this is you, if you can understand English but can't speak it confidently, then this video is going to change how you look at English learning. Forever. Because the real problem isn't your vocabulary. It isn't your grammar, and it's definitely not your intelligence. It's something deeper, something no one talks about. Let's dive in. Let's start with something important. There are two types of English fluency: passive fluency and active fluency. Most English learners, especially those who've studied the language for years in school, develop passive fluency. This means you can understand English when you read it. You can follow along when you hear it. You can even enjoy English music, movies, and podcasts. But when it comes to active fluency, the ability to respond, to speak out loud, to think and talk in real time, that's where the struggle begins. Why? Because passive input doesn't automatically lead to active output. Let me give you an example. You can watch 100 cooking shows on TV and understand every single recipe. But until you pick up the knife, chop the vegetables, and actually cook something, you don't become a chef. It's the same with English. Just understanding it won't make you a speaker. Now let's talk about the mental block. Most people who can't speak English actually know enough words to express themselves. But the problem is, they're too scared to use them. Scared of sounding wrong. Scared of making mistakes. Scared of people laughing at them. Scared of judgment, even from themselves. This fear is powerful. It shuts down your confidence. It creates anxiety in your body, and it sends your brain into fight or flight mode. That's why your mouth goes dry. That's why you forget even simple words like good or go. That's why you go blank in the middle of a conversation. You're not broken. Your brain is just protecting you from what it thinks is a threat. But it's lying to you. Speaking English is not a danger. It's a skill. And like any skill, it takes practice to feel safe and natural. Let's get into something most people ignore. Speaking is physical. Yes, it's physical. Your mouth, your tongue, your jaw, your throat, these are all muscles that need training. When you read English silently or listen to others, your muscles do nothing. But when you speak, suddenly your mouth has to move differently. Your tongue has to find new shapes. Your brain has to create a sentence and say it in real time. And if you've never trained that before, it feels uncomfortable. It feels weird. It feels like you're forcing it. That's why many learners say, "I feel like I'm faking it when I speak English," or "I sound stupid," or "I hear myself and cringe." But here's the truth. You're not bad at speaking. You're just new at speaking. And like anything new, it feels strange in the beginning. All right, now that we understand the problem, let's fix it. Here are 5 powerful methods that actually work without boring grammar books. 1. Start speaking with yourself. Yes, I said it. Talk to yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and describe your day. What did I do today? What am I wearing? What do I want to eat later? Make it your habit. If you can't talk to others yet, talk to yourself. It rewires your brain to think in English, not just translate from your native language. 2. Use the voice note challenge. Every day, send a 1-minute voice note in English to yourself or to a close friend who understands. Talk about anything, your mood, your plans, something you saw. Listen to it later. Yes, it'll feel awkward, but you'll improve way faster than you think. 3. Stop memorizing. Start building. Instead of memorizing 100 new words every week, learn how to use 5 common words in real situations. Example, the word get. You can say, I get tired. I get the point. I'll get ready. Can you get me some water? That's real speaking, not just learning vocabulary lists. 4. Join anonymous speaking groups. You don't have to show your face. Join Telegram groups or apps like Clubhouse where you can speak without fear. No one knows you. No one cares about your grammar. They just want to practice, like you. 5. Create English moments in your day. Set your phone language to English. Talk to your pet in English. Think out loud while walking. Narrate your cooking. These silly habits build speaking fluency silently, and in 30 days, you'll be shocked by your progress. Let me tell you something you've never been told. You don't need more English. You need more confidence in your English. You already understand it. You just don't trust your own mouth to say it. But that changes now. You don't need to sound perfect. You don't need a fancy accent. You don't need 10,000 words. You just need the courage to open your mouth. So the next time you say, I can understand English, but I can't speak it, stop. Instead, say, I am learning to speak. I will practice today. I will improve 1 sentence at a time. Because fluency is not a gift. It's a decision to try, to fail, to grow. Your journey doesn't start when you feel ready. It starts right now with your next sentence. So go ahead, say it out loud, even if you're alone, even if your voice shakes, even if it's not perfect, because it's yours, and you're not silent anymore. If this video helped you even a little, give it a like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more powerful English confidence content without the boring textbooks. You've got this. See you in the next one.